Howdy guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's that time again, our monthly deep dive into the fast-moving, ever-evolving world of proprietary trading. August 2025 did not disappoint. We saw a huge wave of very exciting innovations and strategic moves within the space that clearly show how prop firms are essentially doubling down on technology, trader empowerment, and smarter funding options. Now, if you're someone that's new to the prop trading scene, hopefully this is going to be the perfect way to get caught up on who's really shaking things up in the industry. And if you're a seasoned trader hunting for your next big opportunity, you'll find plenty to spark your interest and help you see if you are working with the right prop trading firm. So in this video, we'll go over the latest updates from some of the top prop trading firms in the industry. And we do a roundup of important updates across the industry every single month, so you guys can always be up to date with what's going on across the broader prop firm space. Now, in no particular order, let's jump in. We'll cover some key prop firm updates that occurred in the industry during August. All right, kicking things off is Funded Next, and they've unveiled a brand new tool that puts cost control directly in the hands of traders, this being the Swap Calculator. Officially launched on August 12th, this feature empowers traders to forecast swap charges with precision before they commit to a position. The calculator takes into account key variables like the trading platform, financial instrument, lot size, trade type, and even the duration a trade is held. Now, with all these factors combined, traders can finally plan ahead with accuracy, avoid those hidden surprises, and manage risk with greater confidence. For anyone who trades overnight or across multiple sessions, this is a practical upgrade that could make a serious difference. So great update there from Funded Next. Funding Pips has taken a bold step toward trader convenience with the launch of on-demand rewards for its 1 and 2-step master accounts. So this new feature, it eliminates the wait tied to fixed payout cycles. Instead, eligible traders can now request their share whenever they meet the necessary conditions. So what this does is it gives traders more control over when they receive their profits and how they reinvest them, ultimately creating a faster, more dynamic trading experience. It's a move that recognizes the importance of flexibility and timing in a trader's journey, so Funding Pips always making moves that are trader-centric focused. Next up is the 5%ers, and they have made a noteworthy addition this month. They've broadened the platform offerings by now integrating CTrader into its lineup. CTrader, very well-respected, widely used platform, known primarily for having an intuitive interface, advanced charting tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities, making it a powerful option for both seasoned and aspiring traders. So with this expansion, traders gain access to advanced order types, customizable charts, and smoother execution environments, a clear effort by the 5%ers to provide flexibility and improved efficiency for strategy execution and portfolio management. So another firm making their decisions around their traders and their goals. Moving on to Funder Pro, they've fine-tuned one of its core rules. So they've introduced a significant update to its maximum daily loss, designed to give traders more consistency and transparency. Instead of calculating the daily loss limit based on floating equity during the session, it will now be tied to the start of day account balance. Now, this change was actually driven by trader feedback and ensures that unrealized profit or loss fluctuations no longer impact drawdown calculations mid-session. So by locking the limit to the opening balance each day, traders can manage positions with more confidence and less stress about sudden shifts. So it's a great update there from Funder Pro. All right, Rebels Funding, they've expanded its RF trader platform with new instruments covering both cryptocurrencies and global stocks. Traders can now access trending tokens paired with USDT such as XRP and BNB alongside high-performing international equities. So this expansion gives traders greater flexibility to diversify their portfolios, trade across different asset classes, and take advantage of low spreads and minimal fees. It's a direct play toward making the platform more versatile and attractive to a wider trader base. So another firm making some great updates and progress forward. All right, moving on to Fintech. They've been rolling out upgrades one after another this month starting with a groundbreaking instant payout feature. So with this, traders no longer need to wait for withdrawal approvals. The process is automated and instant, with record approval times as fast as 2.8 seconds. Best of all, accounts remain active after withdrawals, allowing traders to continue trading uninterrupted. In addition, Fintech removed commission fees on oil and indices, cutting trading costs while also introducing smaller contract sizes. What used to be $6 per lot is now $0, leaving spreads as the only cost. Now, this change could have a major impact for traders managing risk and executing frequent trades in these markets. On top of that, the firm has revamped its Swift Trader program to allow participants to keep 100% of their profits. Traders only need to hit a 3% profit to qualify, and they can request payouts every 14 days with instant approval. And finally, Fintech introduced the Pro Trader Swing program with balance-based daily loss rules. So unlike equity-based limits, this approach gives swing and position traders the confidence to hold through market fluctuations without being unfairly penalized. So lots of great stuff there from Fintech. They're setting a high bar for trader-focused innovation. All right, moving on to the GOAT, being the GOAT funded trader. They've introduced a new reward system that makes earning perks simpler and faster. Under the new structure, traders accumulate points automatically with every purchase. 1 point for every dollar spent. Whether it's instant accounts, challenges, or other services, every transaction builds reward balance seamlessly. On the affiliate side, GFT has rolled out an updated program with commissions of up to 20% and added bonuses for higher referral activity. So affiliates can now monetize their networks more effectively while receiving payouts for every sign-up generated through their links. So some great updates there as well from the GOAT funded trader. Okay, up next is Blueberry Funded. They've turned their focus to recognition this month. They've unveiled a brand new certificate design with a very modern aesthetic and premium finish. And this upgrade elevates the symbolic achievement of passing a challenge or verification into a true badge of honor. Who doesn't love a little bit of praise? In addition, Blueberry Funded celebrated its first anniversary by rolling out a refreshed website design. So the upgraded site improves usability, speed, and trader-focused features, ensuring participants can focus more on performance and less on navigation. So Blueberry Funded doing some great stuff and celebrating a 1-year anniversary as well. All right, very quickly for DNA Funded, they've announced the launch of a new instant funding program. And this is giving traders immediate access to capital without going through lengthy evaluation stages. It's a straightforward path for those ready to showcase performance right away. We're going to be doing a deep dive onto that very soon, but instant funding is becoming a very popular program, and DNA Funded is now providing exactly that. All right, E8 Markets, they've also been active over the last bit of time. They've introduced E8 Signature, a new one-step evaluation account designed for Forex, futures, and crypto markets. So traders can operate under a single rule set across multiple markets, offering greater flexibility and accessibility. And they also launched E8 Signature Crypto, tailored specifically for cryptocurrency traders. Can you believe it? And now this has access to over 40 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a really wide range of altcoins. And the program addresses the demand for more straightforward and competitive crypto funding opportunities. So E8 Markets, once again, at the forefront of the industry and making some great steps. Speaking of crypto Fund Trader, well, they've rolled out fresh updates as well. They've launched an instant funding and scaling plan that allows traders to grow accounts up to $1.28 million without maximum allocation caps. Profits can be withdrawn and accounts upgraded at any time, giving traders long-term growth flexibility. Now, on the convenience side, they've introduced a dashboard purchasing feature, so traders can now buy evaluations directly through their dashboards without needing to navigate external links. And this just makes the process smoother, simpler, it reduces friction, and gets trades started faster. So great dashboard simplicity upgrade, and Crypto Fund Trader giving you access to plenty of capital and making some great waves in the industry. All right, Pip Farm, they've introduced a payout protection, a safeguard that ensures profits may still be paid even if traders later breach account rules. So this addresses a long-standing frustration where gains would typically be forfeited after a breach. They also announced a wide range of updates during their Roundup event, set to roll out in the coming weeks. Highlights include automated XP quests, a guaranteed stop-loss feature, swap-free accounts, and a new XP economy that lets traders exchange XP for perks. So payouts are now available in USDC and profit targets have been reduced across programs. Challenge prices have dropped, larger account sizes are being phased out, an emerging option is being added. Community engagement is also a focus with an in-person event in Medellin on September 6 and a planned retreat in Argentina. So Pip Farm doing plenty of things and clearly positioning itself as more than a white label firm by investing in both trader perks and community building. Moving on to Atmos Funded, they've refreshed its two-phase challenge by splitting it into two distinct account types. The standard account comes with 1-to-100 leverage and excludes news trading, suiting traders who avoid those high volatility events. The swing account offers 1-to-30 leverage and allows trading through news events designed for swing and position traders who hold longer term setups. So Atmos Funded, making some great 1% changes there, continuing to move forward in the industry. Okay, moving on to Alpha Capital Group. They've introduced two-factor authentication directly through the trader dashboard. Now, enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of account security, very important, especially in this day and age, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and strengthening trust in the trading environment. It's a step that really aligns with the firm's focus on building a secure, first and foremost, and reliable infrastructure for all traders, so giving their trader base that extra level of confidence and security. All right, we're on the home stretch here. Moving into the final few updates for the month. TradeX Prop has added support for digital currency payments through BVNK. So clients can now pay with Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and Tron, as well as stable coins like USDT and USDC across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, and Tron. Now, this builds on their existing credit card, PayPal, and Venmo options that makes the platform more accessible for traders around the world who maybe prefer using crypto for transactions. So lots of new payment options to lower entry costs, and that's a great update from TradeX Prop. SFX Funded, they've reduced the price of its $80K instant funding account to just $299. By lowering the entry cost, they've made live trading capital more accessible to disciplined traders who are eager to start with less financial burden, and who doesn't love becoming more accessible, and SFX Funded has done exactly that with a great little update. And last but certainly not least, Funded Trading Plus has rolled out the Prestige Lite program, a simplified two-stage evaluation challenge with static drawdown and consistent rules across both phases. The profit targets are set at just 6% for each stage, making it one of the most achievable pathways to funded trading in the entire industry. The program is designed for accessibility, realistic targets, and faster rewards, giving aspiring funded traders a smoother route to success, and that's a great way to finish this monthly roundup of updates. Well guys, these have been the recent updates and changes from some of the leading proprietary firms across the industry throughout August. As we can see, the prop trading firm space as a whole is constantly evolving, and high quality trading firms are always looking to adjust and improve their offerings to their trader base. Now, before we let you go, let us know in the comments below your perspective, thoughts, feedback, particularly if you enjoyed some of these changes that the prop trading firms have provided, and which of the updates caught your eye the most. We love to see your feedback in the comments, especially if you're someone who's working directly with any of these prop firms. We'd love to hear your input. And don't forget as well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and our other social media pages so you can always be up to date with what's going on in the prop trading firm space. We'll make sure you receive important news and updates about reputable and trustworthy prop firms that are in the industry that we also list on our website. And that wraps up this monthly update video. Wishing everyone successful and happy trading. As always, look forward to seeing you on the next one.